Pi Network will outreach Bitcoin, and this is why you need to pay attention to the recent trend of cryptocurrency and the staggering price decline of some of the digital coins like Bitcoin. Can the new altcoins in the market prevail over this so-called tech king? Watch this video if you would like to learn more about this potential investment mentor, or the $0 investment that could be the future of cryptocurrencies. Welcome to topic. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market offers two different types of wallets you can use to store your funds, which can be converted quickly into local currency. Furthermore, there are no costs associated with storing digital currencies in a wallet. As cryptographers, we know that if we had Bitcoin for every new cryptographic concept that arose, we'd be extremely wealthy. And it seems as if a new currency enters the scene every few months, promising to be the solution to our global currency woes. There are issues that most of us have never even considered. So get to know this new entrant that might even reach out to Bitcoin. You're going to learn about a fast-growing player in the digital currency space in this video. There's no precedent for it. And the team at Stanford University claims it to be revolutionary. You should also take note that millions of people have already signed up to earn it. Here's what you need to know, including what I think are the risks and how you can get involved. The bottom line is it's free to do, and although it won't make you money in the short term, it might be worth a shot if it takes off. Greetings Crypto Live viewers, I'd like to introduce you to the new digital currency Pi. What is the Pi cryptocurrency? And how is it different from other cryptocurrencies? Pi is a new cryptocurrency designed for and by everyday people that you can mine or earn from your phone, says the team behind it. This seems like an easy thing to do. Since crypto only exists for around 10 years, it is quite important to acknowledge that this is a fairly new form of currency. There is nothing goldy or fiat about it. Despite this being a brand new technology, it has already demonstrated its ability to disrupt global finance fundamentally. However, it is by no means perfect. However, it has two major selling points. To begin with, it's accessible to all and easy to mine or earn. Furthermore, it gives everyday people the opportunity to capture more economic value instead of lining the pockets of banks, technology giants, and other intermediaries. I think they're right about the first point. How about you? Kindly let us know your thoughts by leaving some comments below. This is because we found it very easy to earn using the free Pi app available for Android or iPhone. Anyone can keep track, all he needs to do is check in every day. Using the app on your phone is unobtrusive. The device uses no battery power and minimal data, so you barely notice it's there. In contrast to Bitcoin, where you need specialized equipment and knowledge to mine it. This is much easier. Considering the amount of power this consumes, Pi most definitely intended. It's very shocking. The second claim about it being used as a currency by ordinary people to capture more economic value is a far cry from actuality. What can you do with Pi cryptocurrency? Smart minds created Pi with an eye to the future. Through the creation of a peer-to-peer marketplace for goods and services. They intend to eventually allow you to purchase goods and services directly from Pi. Additionally, you will have the option of exchanging Pi for fiat currency, such as pounds, euros, or dollars. All of this is supposed to be possible in Phase 3 of the project. Of course, you might be wondering what the heck Phase 3 is. The first phase to get enough users on board was launched in March 2019 and was completed 1 year later. In Phase 2, which is largely a testing phase, users can volunteer to test Notice software on their computers to decentralize the network. Though you can just stick with your phone. Pi launched the first wallet trial in April of 2021, which was a major milestone for the moon. Taking this step shows the Pi platform is developing and is a big step toward Pi becoming a usable currency. So, are we getting closer to something? It's impossible to predict when that will happen. It may take months, years, or more. Pi in the sky. Would there be reasons to be doubtful? It's no secret that there might be some investors who are skeptical about digital currencies. Creating a digital currency that is truly worth real money exists electronically and then vanishes out of thin air seems like pure alchemy. Likely, some have already expressed their concerns about Bitcoin. In the case of Pi, it was developed by 3 people who were all Stanford University graduates, 2 of whom have doctorates. For sure, if Pi gains mainstream support and billions of transactions are completed, the team will need to expand rapidly if it has to be a mainstream product. Developers have released a long white paper explaining the workings, merits, and future of the currency. For those technical geeks, it will be a fun read. But for us non-geeks, the FAQs are more digestible. And how about you? What are your thoughts on this? It's immediately clear that Pi is not free money. That's a bummer. Despite being described as a long-term project, its success depends on the contributions of its members. Despite the length and comprehensiveness of the white paper, the big question remains when, if ever, the currency will become a viable asset. For now, it seems the idea is to grow the numbers, test the system, and then see where things go. However, why should you believe in Pi? I guess it might just be 3 people who worked from their bedrooms, but they know what they're doing. In addition, they're being upfront about it. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, as opposed to other currencies. They seem to be sincere in their intent to develop something useful, something better. Although the team is small at the moment, a lot of great ideas have been born from small teams working in dingy garages and bedrooms. Looking at you, Apple and Facebook, with almost no advertising, there were over 3.5 million users in March of 2020, just 1 year after the network launched. And recently, it is almost 19 million users. Just based on word of mouth, it seems pretty impressive. In many ways, we like the unassuming budget look at the founders as much more trustworthy than if they acted like Fire Festival organizers posing on yachts with models. This app has been specifically developed so that these guys can put face and reputation to it. And that adds to its credibility. There are no guarantees with cryptocurrency, no matter what they may appear to be. There's no such thing in their proposal. It's just a matter of inviting you on board. And watching what happens, because you're not investing anything other than the effort to download an app and open it once a day. That seems like a reasonable deal, especially when you think about what it could become. What do you need to get a piece of the pie, or in short, how to mine it? We've mentioned this earlier and also in previous videos, that mining Pi is simply a matter of getting the app, search for Pi Network or click the links below. They haven't affiliated links. And checking in once a day. The app has been used by some users for quite some time now without having encountered any issues. We can also confirm that it has no significant amounts of battery power or data. For the Pi network to remain secure, it is required that you add someone else to the network. In addition to joining other miners, you can do things to boost your mining rate. It is best to involve any interested family and friends in the network. Getting friends and family involved might make it sound a bit like a pyramid scheme. So expect some skepticism. Pi Network claims that these personal networks improve their security, as well as allowing them to mine faster. Note, however, that you only earn from your direct network, you do not get credit from other people's networks. So it is not a digital multi-level marketing scheme. Currently, it looks like there's no restriction on how many people you can have in your network. Consequently, you can mine a lot of Pi by getting a lot of people involved. This tactic is meant to boost the growth of the platform at this early stage. Even though it's still early days for Pi, it's growing rapidly, and this can't be ignored. We think that the free and easy start has made it worth it for us to give it a spin. Except for a few minutes of wasted time. There's not much at stake. Although it might not seem like much. If it achieves its goals, then it will be quite something. In that case, getting in early could pay off nicely. Furthermore, crypto digital or virtual currencies have created a paradigm shift in the way we think about money, how we view the possibility of buying it, how we view the possibility of spending it. Just be careful when buying it. But in this case, the Pi network is currently free. So the decision is yours. That's all for this video about crypto. Thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button. Wait a second, one more thing. Those who love to make money through crypto. There is a training system known as Crypto Ultimatum. A detailed training system that shows an absolute beginner, without any skill, how to make huge profits in a short time with cryptos. Crypto Ultimatum is a training system guarantees your success even without any skill because the methods included in it really work. Simply follow the methods introduced in the training system to multiply your money. Link in the description.